In this video, we'll offer step-by-step guidance on maintaining hearing aid hygiene and performance. Clean your hearing aids after every use. Prepare a microfiber cloth and brush for cleaning. Never use tissues or rags, as dust and particles can lodge in the mics. This is where the microphone is located on your hearing aids, an area prone to dust and debris accumulation. After wiping the body of the devices down, use the brush to brush out your microphone. While cleaning, firmly grasp the hearing aid in your fingers and brush the device with the microphone facing the ground. This will ensure you are brushing debris out and not into the microphone. Next, firmly grip them in between your fingers with the dome facing the ground. Brush out the dome. Again, this will ensure you are brushing debris out of the dome and not into the dome. Now wipe the dome off with the microfiber cloth. Please note that we do not recommend using anything with a solvent, as it could damage the hearing aids. Once a month, you should remove the domes from your hearing aids. Wash the domes in warm soap and water. Only the domes can go in the water, not the hearing aids or receivers. Allow the domes to air dry completely before reattaching them to the hearing aids. We recommend changing the domes every 2 to 3 months. If you notice the domes are damaged or become too soiled, replace them sooner. Then take out your brush again. Use the wired end on the opposite side to clean the tiny vent holes on your domes. Insert the wire and push out the dust and earwax, collecting around the holes. After cleaning is complete, put the domes back on and check whether they are securely placed by slightly pulling on them, and wear them on to checking the sound quality to ensure proper functioning. For more information or help, please contact us at support@hiorca.com. Thank you for choosing Orca. Here's to a world of better hearing